everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. My name is Dania Shifa Jurang, and today I'm going to present my website project called Ella Beauty. Ella Beauty is an online cosmetic store that provides a variety of beauty products such as skincare, makeup, and body cares. The purpose of this website is to make it easier for people to find trusted, high quality beauty products without worrying about fake items or overpricing. I created this website not only as a shopping platform, but also as a place where people can learn more about beauty and skincare in a safe and friendly environment. Ella Beauty was established because the demand for safe and effective beauty products in Indonesia keeps increasing every year. Many people want to take care of their skin, but sometimes they don't know which product to trust. That's why Ella Beauty is here to provide carefully selected products that are original, safe, and affordable. We believe that beauty should be accessible to everyone, whether you're a you're student, a working professional, or someone who just started their skincare journey. Our vision is become a trusted online beauty store that provides a comfortable and educational shopping experience. Our mission includes providing 100% original products, offering professional and responsive customer service, um, giving honest product information, and helping customers find products that match their needs. Okay, now let's take a tour of the website. This is uh, the logo store of Alok Beauty. When you open the homepage, you'll see a short introduction about Alok Beauty and the top brands we sell, such as Something, Skintific, CosRX, Innisfree, Natural Republic, Maybelline, Pink Flash, and Azarin. We designed the homepage with a simple and clean look to make it easy for visitors to explore and find what they're looking for. Next, let's move to the About Us page. This sections tells the story behind our beauty, why we start, what makes us different, and our commitment to authenticity and customer satisfaction. We also include our vision and mission so visitor can understand our values as a brand. Then there's the our product page. This is one of the main parts of the website because it showcases all the items we sell. We divided the products into three main categories. The first one is skincare. The second one is makeup, and the last one is body care. Um, for the skincare, this is what we sell, and for the makeup, you can see what do we sell, and the last one is body care. Each category contains products from trusted brands that many people already love. Lastly, we have the how to order page. Here, customer can learn step by step how to place an order. All orders are made easily through WhatsApp. They just need to send their details, confirm the total price, make payment, and then the order will be processed right away. We provide several options, including bank transfer, Dana, and OFO. And customer retrieve their tracking number within 24 hours. Overall, this website was designed to be a simple, user-friendly, and informative, so everyone can enjoy a smooth shopping experience. To sum it up, Ella Beauty is not just a cosmetic store, it's a brand that cares about confidence, self expression, and authenticity. Through this website, I want to recreate a positive space where everyone can explore beauty in their own way. I hope Ella Beauty can continue to grow and reach more people who are passionate about taking care of themselves. Thank you so much for watching my presentation. Don't forget to visit our website at this link, and then follow us on Instagram at alakbeauty.id. You can click this section for the latest updates and promotion. Thank you, everyone. Bye bye.